Okay, so I'm going to set it for 6.5. I'm going to cut it off. You guys are going to be watching this little piece right here. And it's going to be dancing around over here. And you're going to get worried. You don't have to get worried. I'm a trained professional. I've got bulletproof vest on under here. Oh, I'm going to send this through. I'm using my hand. I'm going to use this fence as a guide to push this through. So my hand stays right where I need it to be. It's still 4 inches away. My hand's 4 inches away from the blade as I send this through. And I'm going to show you a couple things. I'm going to stop halfway and talk about something here. The whole way I've been pulling this through, I've been pulling this side, this direction, up against the fence, making sure it's secure. Now when I finish cutting, there's nothing pushing that into the blade. I don't have to worry about it. What do you notice right here? Why on earth is there a burn mark? Exactly right. That's where I stopped and I talked about it for a little bit. I didn't even have to look at it. I knew there was going to be a burn mark there. And if I run my finger down there, I can actually feel that. So when I glue that to another board, what do you think is going to be right there? Yeah, there's going to be a gap right there. So whenever you send a piece through, you need to try and keep a constant motion all the way through. Also, notice how I didn't try and kick that piece out of the way. What would happen if I pushed this way? This side would push right into the blade. So when I kick this out, I actually push it into the blade and I have more of a chance for me to wear it. So when you have it rattling right there, it's safe. Nobody's saying, hey, jump on the free ride. It doesn't have any reason to want to jump on that blade. But if I push this way by thinking I'm helping, now I'm kicking it into the blade. That's where you're going to wear it. Okay, now what if I'm cutting something under 4 inches? What do I do first? Blade height. So I lower that down 1/4 inch. Interesting thing though, this whole blade, most of the blade is at the top end is pushing this direction and pushing towards me. So the cutting action is actually pushing back towards me. It's not cutting down through that blade. So I actually am going to get more pushback with a thinner piece than I am with a really big piece because the blade's cutting down with a big piece at the bottom of the stroke. So now I'm going to use a push stick so I get it ready ahead of time. Blade height's right. I'm going to start it with my hand and then switch over. So I'm going to start it with my hand as I push it through, and then as this hand gets close, I'm going to finish it out with this. Why would I start with this hand? Why didn't I just do this the whole way? It'd be okay to be close to the fence. What did I tell you about the space between here? Yeah, I can't feel what that board's doing. So if I just push it through, that board may change direction on me and I wouldn't be able to feel it. But when I start it with this hand pushing against the fence, I can feel it the whole way. And then when I get to within 4 inches of that, I can just push straight forward here. This is a short table. On that one over there and on that one we have an extension table that sticks out. And usually we can just slide that forward. On something like this, I might even just push it off the edge so I don't have to worry about that falling right there. We actually have an extension table over there that we'll bring over for this later. We were just doing a different project on this before. So I picked this up later, now I can pick this piece up. Here's another dangerous thing. Let's say I just cut this. What's the tendency right now?
Grab it.
Reach over the top of the blade. It's still moving. If I reach over the top, If I have any loose clothing or anything, it's a perfect time to get snagged. Or if I forget, right now I can't see the blade anymore. It's trapped underneath my arm. So it's a good chance for me to forget that that thing is moving and just run my hand right back into it when I drag this back across. I've also seen a lot of students pick it up but not grab it correctly and drop it halfway. That's where you're going to wear it. It does this little, I'm done now. You can use it. You're good. You're good. I got it out of the way. Can you check this? I got something. Yeah, it just goes down wrong. You never want to hurry with this machine. Never push something through so fast that it rattles or chips on you. Slow is better than fast. However, what would happen if I went really slow as I was cutting? I get a burn mark. Okay, here's another piece. It's a long piece, and it's got a serious bow in it. If I put this up here, see how I can wobble this back and forth? What if I wanted to cut it on here? I could, I never do this, but I actually could cut it on the table saw. And the reason why is if I kept right here against the fence the whole time, this would always remain at 3 inches. I would always be cutting 3 inches. But if it ever came away from it, now I have a free, now it can just rattle and it can do a kickback or it can throw it at me. I guess that's the same thing. So you actually could do something that has a curve, but as a general rule, you always want to have a flat edge against the fence. So write that down, a flat edge against the fence. Forgot this one. Save your cautions while operating. No loose clothing. Hair back. As a general rule, also, we try to stay off to the side when I'm cutting. So if there is a kickback, if I'm off to the side, it will go past me. Usually with a riving knife, which is this knife right here, you don't get a kickback very often. In fact, I've never had a kickback since I've had a riving knife on there, but there is that potential. Okay, one of the last things I want you to do, I imagine a lot of you aren't religious, but it's a really kind of a good precaution if you pray first every time you use this machine. You don't have to write that down, but as a general rule of thumb, if you want to come out alive, it's not going to hurt anything probably. All right. I want everybody to go ahead and put your notebooks away.